we are back. We kind of misplaced the cameras for a minute, so we got our A-pillar bar done. Decided to go a little bit different than traditional. Traditionally would hit about here or use a halo. It kind of runs down A-pillar, comes down to the rocker. We're gonna build a box down here for it to rest on and brace it, obviously. We've already notched this too, as you can see. There's a really nice joint there, and then I got all the way around. I'm preparing our other one for notching. We got a cut line, it's kind of hard to see, right there. And then a notch line will be, it'll start in about here. Well, we got our A-pillar bars tacked into place where we want them, and I'm saying it's looking pretty good. He's probably gonna edit this out. You see this motherfucker right here? He's cheating. The old Harbor Freight tube bender getting put to work, but he's cheating. We told ourselves we weren't gonna use this. No, this isn't cheating. It's so small then it doesn't look. Look at shame on you. Doesn't fit. Well, you gotta cut the size. Voila. It could use a little bit more bend in the middle. He almost killed us. You seen it? I record everything. Every time I get injured, it's gonna be on film. It's not working. It's time. My benefits here suck. Maybe I didn't get more. What do you say to all 12 subscribers? I mean, this is why this is a flop. successful late night. We got this bar in. We got these top bars on the outside in. Tack in place. Mitch is working on the box for the front 8-pillar bar down here. And we got this front bar in up here too. Just got to put a center brace in, and then the whole top can be ready to be burned off. So, got some stuff for the cart. Picked up the fuel cell. Some oil pan and pick up tube. And also just checked the mail. Got my short hub. So, and also shout out to Brent Johnson. Hooked me up with a steering wheel with a quick release. So that's pretty exciting. Can't wait to get that on the car. Thanks again. A good old 302 truck motor. Came out of a late 80s F-150. It'll do what we need it to do, pushing a cart, so we don't have to care about that. Pretty excited to get a power plant in it and get the T5 in it, but we're waiting on a clutch yet before we can start buttoning that in. So, gonna keep working on the cage. Cage pads are welded in. Now we can do the rear kickers and start piecing the back together. Got the rear kickers cut. Now we're gonna notch them. I'll show you how we do that. And then we'll have to angle cut the bottoms to make them fit perfect. So, I'd have to say my favorite tool out of all the stuff I have for as far as fabrication, the bender's nuts. Model 32 JD squared, but a good tube notcher can make life way easier. You don't have to sit there and grind
your perfect fish mouth. This thing does it for you. It has angles, you can adjust it. In this case, we're gonna be doing a 0 degree notch, which makes it even easier. I usually set depth by figuring out the distance that when it's perfectly gapped in the center, what the gap is here. And then I measure that much in on the pipe at the top and mark it out and put it in so the saw is touching the line. And then that's all we do from there is put on the drill and full saw away. Now you'll see, we got that perfect fitment. Nice and tight and clean. Well, kickers are tacked into place. Like how they turned out. It's Jesus! We're saved!
Don't waste our bucks.